Good morning and welcome back to the classes. In the last class we were discussing about the fossil fuels or mineral oil, and we have learned about the coal, and today we will discuss about the petroleum or mineral oil. The word petroleum is derived from two Latin words. The word petroleum is arrived or originated from two Latin words, petrol and oleum. Petrol means rocks and oleum means oil. Thus the meaning of the word petroleum is rock oil. Petroleum is obtained from rocks, which means petroleum is mined from the rocks, especially from the sedimentary rocks. Therefore, it is also called mineral oil. Petroleum is an inflammable liquid, which means it is a liquid which can be set on fire very easily. And it is consisting of 90 to 95% of hydrocarbons and the remaining 5% of different compounds containing oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. We are familiar with this mineral. Now let us study about the uses of petroleum. Petroleum and petroleum products are mainly used as a locomotive power. Petroleum and petroleum products are mainly used as a fuel for the motion, power of motion. The invention and the use of petroleum and different types of machineries which are running with the power of petroleum revolutionized the transportation on land, air and water. It is the most important source of power or energy over the surface of the earth. It can be easily transported from the place of production to the consuming areas either through the oil tankers or with the help of pipelines. With the help of pipelines or with the help of oil tankers, petroleum products can be transported from the centers of production to the different countries which are consuming them. It emits very less quantity of smoke and leaves no ash. As a result of the burning of petroleum, there is very less amount of smoke will come out, and also there is no possibility for the ash. That is why it can be used till the last drop. It provides the most important lubricating agents and is used as the raw material for many petrochemical products. It is the main source of many products like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, paraffin wax, Vaseline and benzene. It is used for making paints, medicines, plastics and fertilizers. It is the most important raw material for chemical industries. These are the different uses of petroleum. Now let us study about the distribution of mineral oil. Distribution of mineral oil in India. India imports about 2/3 of its oil requirements. We are depending on different foreign countries for the importing of oil products or petroleum products. We are producing only very less quantity of petroleum products. India produces only 5% of the world petroleum reserves. In the order of importance, the main areas of mineral oil deposits are offshore sea at Mumbai Basin and Alibag. Then Godavari Basin and the Kaveri Basin have now become an important centers for the mining of petroleum in India. distribution of mineral oil in the world. Petroleum is a very important resource. It serves as a raw material, fuel, and also as an illuminant. Now let us study about the different countries which are the leading producers of petroleum in the world. First, USA. USA is an important oil producer in the world. Oil is mined at different parts of USA. Gulf Coast region, Rocky Mountain region, Southern California, and Appalachian region. These are the places in USA from where petroleum is mined. Another important country which is having large quantity of petroleum reserves in the world is Russia. The Ural-Volga region is an important mining area in Russia. Western and Eastern Siberia, Sakhalin are the important other oil producing areas of Russia. Venezuela is a leading oil producer in South America. The Gulf of Maracaibo and Orinoco Delta are the main centers where large quantity of petroleum reserves are found in South America. In the Middle East, the main oil producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iran, Iraq, Bahrain, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, and Dubai. In China, oil fields lies in Canada, oil fields lie in the Ontario and Mackenzie River basins. China also has become an important producer of oil in the world. That is the end of today's class. Thank you.